Hey everyone, welcome to our very first video here at Trustee Tutor. We're so excited to share with you the trends, principles of money making, history, recent news and tips in navigating the world of finance. To help us with the algorithm here, do comment down below which country you're from so that we can create more videos that will be beneficial wherever you are. In this video, we'll go over the 4% rule. This is known as the safe withdrawal rate, or the rate at which you can spend your money without ever running out. By flipping it around and multiplying your yearly expenses by 25, you can quickly figure out what this means for you and how much money you'll need to retire. For example, if you and your family spend $40,000 per year, you'll need to invest $1 million to avoid running out of money. So, if you're into this type of topic, do give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that bell notification for updates on our upcoming finance videos. Isn't there a limit to how long you can withdraw 4% and still have money left over? The Trinity study, which examined how much money you'd need to retire for each year between 1926 and 2009, is the study that explains the 4% rule. According to the study, if you invest 50% of your money in stocks and 50% in bonds, withdrawing 4% of your money will be fine for the next 25 years, 100% of the time. If you do it for 30 years, you'll still have money left over 96% of the time. Only if you retired in a particularly bad year and never earned any money after retirement, including pensions or social security, did the 4% rule apply. So, just to be clear, the 4% rule isn't completely foolproof, but those odds are pretty good, and even though I hope to retire from regular work in more than 30 years, I know I'll continue to make money doing things I enjoy, ensuring that the 4% rule is successful. For those of you who want to be absolutely certain that your money will never run out, especially if you plan to retire for more than 30 years, I'll help you understand the 4% rule a little deeper. Many of you are probably wondering why 4% is considered a safe number rather than 10% or 2%. Simply put, investing money will pay you dividends and increase value at an average rate of 7% per year. Inflation averages around 3%, reducing the actual value of your money. Combine those two numbers and you have a 4% increase in net income each year. And if you spend that 4% without going over, you'll end up with exactly what you started with, in perpetuity. Okay, I know a lot of you are thinking this is insane. What about the recession? You can't predict stocks and a million other things. But let's take a closer look at those numbers. Since 1900, more than a century ago, the average annual return has been 7% when dividends are reinvested, meaning you reinvest the dividends or the money the companies pay you for investing into your investment. Before we proceed, if you haven't yet, kindly subscribe to our channel with notifications on to keep updated with our upcoming and even more exciting videos. If you're enjoying this video so far, do hit the like button and let us know what you think in the comments section down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Since 1913, more than a century ago, the average yearly inflation has been erratic, and even during the Great Depression, World Wars, inflationary years, more wars, and the Great Recession, the average return rate has been 7%, and inflation has been just over 3%. This teaches us that being patient and investing early is more important than trying to time the market. This is not to say that nothing can change. Investing entails some risk. That's why you do it and make money from it. However, World War III is a possibility. Another major depression could occur, and we must be ready for something like that. Because if you retired with $1 million in 2007, assuming you'd be able to spend 4% of your net worth per year, you were in for a surprise, which could mean going back to work for a few years and riding out the recession. If you did that, and left your investments in the stock and bond markets, you should be fine. The key takeaway is that you'll be fine using the 4% rule throughout the history of modern America. So, calculate your yearly expenses, add some emergency funds, and begin investing to reach your goal of 25 times your expenses. The more you know, the better you can manage your finances. There's just so many things to learn, unlearn, and relearn in order to thrive financially. Trying to understand how these principles work is key to becoming stable in a world full of change and probably unmet expectations. I would recommend as well to do your own research just to supplement the information given in this video. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, personal experiences, or suggestions regarding this video, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video online, you will be the first to know about it.